Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best solutions for all your home and pet needs. Today, we're talking about a game changer for pet owners, Pet Life Unlimited Carpet Refresher Powder. If you're looking for the best flea powder for carpets and furniture, this is exactly what you need. Whether it's stubborn pet odors or fleas, this carpet powder works wonders to keep your home fresh and clean. Let's dive in. Pet Life Unlimited Carpet Refresher Powder is a pet-safe deodorizer designed specifically for your carpets and furniture. It's made in the USA and features a plant-based formula that eliminates odors while leaving a refreshing juniper leaf scent. It's safe for pets, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals affecting your furry friends. The best part? This product is incredibly easy to use. Simply sprinkle the powder onto your carpets, wait a few minutes, and then vacuum it up. That's it. You'll instantly notice a cleaner, fresher scent without the hassle of complicated processes. What sets Pet Life Unlimited apart from other carpet deodorizers is its natural ingredients. Unlike many chemical-based products, this powder uses juniper leaf, a plant-derived ingredient known for its ability to neutralize odors naturally. This is perfect for homes with pets, as it eliminates smells without any overpowering artificial fragrances. Plus, it's free from harsh chemicals, making it a safe option for households with both pets and children. This product comes in a convenient 16-ounce package, and it's available in a pack of 3. That's 48 ounces of carpet freshness in one order. It's ideal for larger homes or pet owners who want to keep their carpets and furniture odor-free for longer. The powder is also designed to tackle fleas, helping you manage those pesky little critters that can invade your carpets and upholstery. Whether you're dealing with an occasional flea problem or a more persistent issue, this powder is an effective and non-toxic solution. Pet Life Unlimited Carpet Refresher Powder not only works on carpets but can also be used on furniture, making it a versatile option for cleaning your home. If you've been struggling with lingering pet odors or fleas, this product is definitely worth trying. It's quick, effective, and best of all, pet-friendly. With its gentle yet powerful formula, it neutralizes odors and leaves behind a fresh, clean environment that both you and your pets will love. So, if you're in the market for a safe, natural, and effective carpet deodorizer, Pet Life Unlimited Carpet Refresher Powder is the one to get. It's a must-have for every pet owner who wants to keep their home smelling fresh without worrying about harsh chemicals. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Stay tuned for our next video where we bring you more top picks for your home and pets.